Good morning, everyone. My name is Ajay. I'm a senior data engineer at Meta. Over the years, I've had the chance to work on building data pipelines, managing warehouses, and creating tools to solve some challenging problems. But today, I'm excited to talk about something that's reshaping how we approach automation, collaboration, and problem solving in DevOps, large language models, or commonly known as LLMs. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. DevOps is already packed with automation tools. So what's the big deal about adding LLMs into the mix? Well, think about this. What if your DevOps team had a member who never sleeps, learns every line of your code base instantly, predicts errors before they happen, and can write scripts faster? That's the kind of potential we're unlocking with LLMs. Today, I'll be walking you through how LLMs are transforming DevOps workflows, and I'll share some practical applications and insights. Here's what we'll be covering in our session today. What are LLMs? A quick introduction to large language models and how they work. LLMs in DevOps. What are some of the benefits? The unique advantages LLMs bring to DevOps teams. LLM applications in DevOps. Exploring some real-world use cases. DevOps workflows. How LLMs fit into and enhance DevOps processes. LLM-powered code generation. Faster, smarter scripting and coding assistance. Code editor with AI assistance. A look at integrating LLMs into code editors for productivity gains. LLMs for infrastructure as code. Simplifying and streamlining infrastructure management. Cloud infrastructure. How LLMs help in managing and optimizing cloud environments. LLMs for DevOps collaboration. Improving team communication and knowledge sharing with LLMs. The future of LLMs in DevOps. What's next for this exciting collaboration between AI and DevOps? With that roadmap in mind, let's dive in and start with the basics. What exactly are LLMs? Large language models are sophisticated AI systems designed to process and understand human language by being trained on vast amounts of text and code. These models have the remarkable ability to understand, generate, and translate human language, making them incredibly versatile tools in the realm of artificial intelligence. LLMs excel in a variety of tasks, including code generation, documentation, and natural language understanding, which allows them to perform complex language-related tasks with high accuracy and efficiency. Prominent examples of LLMs including GPT-3, Bard, and Codex. These models have set new standards in AI capabilities, demonstrating impressive proficiency in generating human-like text, assisting in software development, and even engaging in creative writing. Their ability to understand context and generate coherent responses has made them invaluable in numerous applications. The impact of LLMs is particularly significant in industries like software development, where they are transforming workflows by automating code generation and improving documentation processes. This transformation leads to increased productivity and innovation as developers can focus on more complex problem-solving tasks. As LLMs continue to evolve, they're expected to further revolutionize how we interact with technology, offering new possibilities for enhancing communication, creativity, and efficiency across various fields. Large language models are revolutionizing software development by significantly enhancing efficiency and productivity. One of the key benefits is increased efficiency, as LLMs can automate repetitive tasks such as code generation, documentation, and testing. This automation frees up developers' time, allowing them to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their projects. LLMs also contribute to improved code quality by detecting and fixing bugs, suggesting better coding practices, and enhancing code readability. This leads to more robust and maintainable software. Additionally, by automating tasks and streamlining workflows, LLMs enable faster time to market, accelerating development cycles and allowing companies to deliver products more quickly. Enhanced collaboration is another advantage, as LLMs facilitate communication and knowledge sharing among team members. This improved collaboration helps teams work more efficiently and effectively, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and can contribute their expertise. Finally, LLMs support improved decision making by providing insights and recommendations based on historical data and trends. This data driven approach helps teams make informed decisions, optimize their strategies, and anticipate future challenges. Overall, LLMs are transforming the software development landscape by offering powerful tools that enhance productivity, quality, and collaboration. One of the primary applications is code generation, where LLMs can produce code snippets, entire functions, and even complete applications. This capability significantly reduces development time and allows developers to focus on higher design and problem-solving tasks. In addition to generating code, LLMs assist in code reviews by identifying potential issues and suggesting improvements. This helps maintain high code quality and ensures that best practices are followed throughout the development process. LLMs also support infrastructure as code by generating templates for tools like Terraform and Ansible, streamlining infrastructure provisioning and management. LLMs can be integrated into chatbots, providing real-time assistance with debugging, troubleshooting, and documentation through chat platforms. This integration enhances team collaboration and ensures that developers have immediate access to the information and support they need. Furthermore, LLMs contribute to predict maintenance by analyzing logs and metrics to predict potential issues before they can occur. This proactive approach allows teams to address problems early, minimizing downtime and improving system reliability. Overall, LLMs are powerful tools that enhance various aspects of software development, from coding to infrastructure management. Integrating LLMs into a typical DevOps workflow can significantly enhance each phase of the development process. In the planning stage, LLMs can analyze historical data and trends to suggest potential improvements and optimizations, helping teams make informed decisions and set realistic goals. During the coding phase, LLMs offer real-time code generation, suggestions, assist with debugging, and ensure adherence to best practices. This support not only accelerates development, but also improves code quality by reducing errors and enhancing readability. In the testing and deployment stages, LLMs can automate repetitive tasks such as running test suites and deploying applications, which streamlines workflows and reduces the risk of human error. They can also identify potential issues before they impact production, allowing teams to address them proactively and maintain system reliability. By integrating LLMs through the DevOps workflow, teams can achieve greater efficiency, collaboration, and innovation. These models provide valuable insights and automation capabilities that enhance every aspect of the development lifecycle, from planning to deployment, ultimately leading to faster delivery of high-quality software products. One of the key strengths is the ability to generate code in various programming languages such as Python, Java, and JavaScript. This versatility allows developers to work across different platforms and technologies with ease. LLMs can also create boilerplate code for common tasks and patterns, saving developers time and effort by automating repetitive coding tasks. This feature ensures consistency and adherence to best practices, which is crucial for maintaining high-quality code bases. Another powerful capability of LLMs is translating code between different languages. This functionality is particularly useful for teams working in multilingual environments or migrating projects from one language to another, and it helps maintain functionality with adapting to new language requirements. In addition to generating code, LLMs can produce unit tests and integration tests, ensuring that the code is thoroughly tested and reliable. This automated testing can support and enrich the team in multiple ways, reducing the risk of bugs in production. Finally, LLMs can customize code generation based on specific requirements and constraints, tailoring solutions to meet the unique needs of each project. This flexibility allows developers to leverage LLMs to create highly specialized and efficient code base. Imagine a code editor that intuitively understands your intentions and offers real-time assistance. This is the transformative power of AI-powered code editors. By integrating large language models, These editors can provide intelligent code suggestions that align with your coding style and project requirements, streamlining the development process. LLMs can highlight potential errors as you code, allowing you to address issues immediately and maintain high code quality. This proactive error detection reduces debugging time and minimizes the risk of bugs making it into production. Moreover, LLMs can refactor code to improve readability and maintainability, ensuring that your code base remains clear and efficient. This automated refactoring helps enforce best practices and makes it easier for teams to collaborate on complex projects. Overall, AI-powered code editors significantly enhance the developer's experience by offering personalized, context-aware support. This leads to improved productivity as developers can focus more on creative problem solving and less on repetitive tasks. By leveraging the capabilities of LLMs, these editors are reshaping how developers interact with code, making the development process more efficient and enjoyable. One of the key applications is generating infrastructure as code (IAC) templates for major cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP. This capability allows teams to automate infrastructure provisioning and configuration, ensuring that deployments are consistent and repeatable across different environments. By automating these processes, LLMs significantly reduce the manual effort required in infrastructure management, minimizing the risk of human error and enhancing overall reliability. This automation not only streamlines operations, but also frees up valuable time for IT teams to focus on strategic initiatives. Furthermore, LLMs can be explored for infrastructure optimization and cost reduction. By analyzing usage patterns and resource allocations, LLMs can provide insights and recommendations to optimize infrastructure performance and reduce unnecessary expenses. This data-driven approach helps organizations make informed decisions about resource allocation and scaling, ultimately leading to more efficient and cost-effective cloud operations. Overall, the integration of LLMs into infrastructure management offers powerful tools for automating, optimizing, and managing cloud environments, driving greater efficiency and cost savings while maintaining high standards of reliability and performance. Consider the complexity involved in deploying and managing modern cloud infrastructure. LLMs can significantly simplify this process by automating various tasks, such as provisioning virtual machines, configuring networks, and scaling resources based on demand. By handling these intricate operations, LLMs enable DevOps teams to focus on higher-level strategic tasks, such as optimizing application performance and enhancing user experience. With LLMs automating infrastructure management, teams can ensure that their systems are not only efficient and reliable, but also cost-effective. These models can dynamically adjust resources to match current demand, preventing over-provisioning and reducing unnecessary expenses. This adaptability is crucial in maintaining optimal performance while managing costs efficiently. By leveraging LLMs, organizations can streamline their cloud operations, reduce the complexity of infrastructure management, and enhance overall productivity. This allows DevOps teams to concentrate on innovative strategies, knowing that their infrastructure is being managed effectively and efficiently. One of the benefits is facilitating knowledge sharing and communication among team members. LLMs can serve as a centralized knowledge base, providing quick access information, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. LLMs can also streamline the creation and maintenance of documentation, making it more efficient and less time-consuming. By automating documentation tasks, teams can ensure that their time is well spent and all their documents are up to date and comprehensive, which is crucial for onboarding new members and maintaining project continuity. Additionally, LLMs can answer questions about code, systems, and processes, acting as an always available resource for team members. This capability reduces the time spent searching for information and allows team members to focus on their core tasks. By improving communication and collaboration between development and operation teams, LLMs help bridge the gap between these traditionally separate functions. This integration fosters a more cohesive and efficient workflow, leading to better project outcomes. Finally, LLMs can foster a culture of continuous learning and improvement within the DevOps team. By improving insights and recommendations, they encourage team members to explore new approaches and refine their skills, driving innovation and excellence in their work. The integration of LLMs into DevOps workflows is paving the way for increased automation and intelligence across the development lifecycle. As these models become more sophisticated and specialized for DevOps tasks, they offer enhanced capabilities that streamline processes and improve efficiency. One of the key trends is the greater integration of LLMs with existing DevOps tools and platforms. This seamless integration allows teams to leverage the power of LLMs within their current workflows, enhancing productivity without the need for significant changes to their tool sets. The emergence of new DevOps practices and methodologies enabled by LLMs is another exciting development. These models are driving innovation by introducing novel approaches to automation, collaboration, and optimizing, which can lead to major agile and responsive development processes. Continued research and development are crucial to addressing the challenges and limitations of LLMs. As these models evolve, ongoing efforts will focus on improving their accuracy, efficiency, and applicability to a wide range of DevOps scenarios. This commitment to advancement ensures that LLMs will continue to be a valuable asset in the DevOps landscape, driving further innovation and transformation in the industry. The future of large language models in DevOps is increasingly promising, heralding a new era of intelligent and efficient software development and operations. As we look ahead, we can anticipate even greater levels of automation where LLMs take on more complex tasks, reducing manual effort and enhancing productivity across the board. The emergence of more specialized LLMs tailored for specific DevOps tasks will further refine their effectiveness. These specialized models will be able to address niche challenges within the DevOps lifecycle, providing targeted solutions that improve workflow efficiency and accuracy. Deeper integration of LLMs with existing tools and platforms is also on the horizon. This seamless integration will allow teams to harness the full potential of LLMs without disrupting their current processes, leading to smoother transitions and more cohesive operations. Overall, these advancements will drive a transformation in how software development and operations are conducted, making them more intelligent, efficient, and responsive to the ever-evolving demands of the industry. As LLMs continue to evolve, they'll play a pivotal role in shaping the future of DevOps, unlocking new possibilities and driving innovation. Thank you for listening to this presentation. We hope you found the insights and information useful as you explore the potential of integrated AI into your workflows. By embracing these advancements, we can look forward to a future of more intelligent, efficient, and innovative software development and operations. For further reading and exploration, please refer to the following resources. We appreciate your time and look forward to seeing how these technologies will continue to evolve and impact the industry. Thank you.